back to review another product. This is the Refreshments Luxe 5 Blade Razor Kit. Here's the packaging right here. I've used this now to shave my underarms multiple times, and I've used this once to shave my legs, and yeah, I thought that it was a pretty good kit. It is one that you can use with or without shaving cream. I did my underarms without any shaving cream at all. It has that strip at the top that seemed to just make everything go very nicely. I didn't notice any razor burn from using this product, so sorry for the glare. But yeah, this is, I believe, purchased on Amazon. I will put an associated link below to this product. And yeah, I would buy this again, and I would recommend it to others. I do notice that with the 5-blade systems that you only have to go over once. You don't have to go multiple times over to try to get those little hairs. Just one swipe and you're good to go. So yeah, I think that they've done a really nice job with their razor, and yeah, I will continue to use it, and I will continue to buy the replacement blades as needed. Let me know if you have an experience with this product, what you think, and if you do not, what razor do you use? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and feel free to give this a thumbs up, subscribe, click that bell for notifications if you want to see more reviews from this channel, and share this video. It helps my channel grow. Please share this video, and have a great day. I'll see you in the next review. Mwah. Bye-bye.